copy and paste Reddit stories into your TikTok and print the green. Apparently this side hustle works really, really well, and there is a huge number claimed by Jay Froman, so I wanted to test this side hustle, and this is the tutorial how to do it. So we're going to take this Reddit story, and we're going to copy and paste it into our video editor, and then we're going to use free, everything's free, by the way. We're going to use free video, free text, and we turn this into a video, we put it onto TikTok, we add an affiliate link, and we start making money. So here, this is how you do it. So step one is you pick your niche, so whatever that might be, and then you go to Google, and you just type in whatever. So mine is real Reddit stories, okay, side hustles. So just put in whatever your niche is, just put in real Reddit stories, and then I just did real Reddit stories side hustles because I'm in the side hustles niche, and whatever your niche is, you would do that. And I found an interesting article here. So we're going to bring that up, open up that article, and you're going to take that paragraph, we're going to put it in our video editor. But the first step before we do anything is we actually have to add video, and we have to add the, we have to add the video first. So we're going to go over to a website called pexels.com. Okay. That's where you get all your videos. So you can see here's the Pexels site, and I just put in money as in that kind of fits my niche. And I kind of like this video here. So then I went in there, and you can download it for free. And I already downloaded it, so it's not going to let me download it again. Maybe I'll just make it another example. Let's say I like this video, and I get a free download. Boom, there it is. Okay, so now we're going to add media. So what we do to do that is we go back to our video editor. And the video editor, by the way, is called veed.io. You can see it at the top left there. And let me just back up so you can see it from this, how you add a video. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit over the top left here, I'm going to hit media, and I'm going to hit video or upload right here, upload file. Okay. I'm going to go to my videos. Let's try something different. Let's try this one. Okay. There's my video. Now we're going to add in the text. So again, back to over to the left here, we're going to find text. And maybe just for now, there's all kinds of what the heck? We'll just use a regular simple text for now. You can design it however you like. We'll go over to my Reddit, okay, and we're going to copy that, Control C or Control V, or you could just use your mouse. And then up at the top left here in the text box, I just paste that in. Boom. People actually make decent money, blah, 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 blah. So that's in there. If you can't really read it, what you could do is go to more options there, and you can see here that I have a normal background. Let's try outline filled. That looks better. Or you could do background square, and that even pops up even more. I kind of like background outline filled. That looks pretty good. Okay, so that's done. Now we want to actually add that, make a voice with that. So to do that, we're going to go over to another editor called, right here, it's up at the top left, video.co/text-to-speech. If you can't find it, just Google that, and it'll pop right up. We're going to paste our text into there. Preview.
People who actually make decent money from a side hustle, what do you do?
Okay, so I'm going to download that MP3. Go back over to Veed editor over here. And we're going to upload that. So in my toolbar here, I hit audio on the left, upload, MP3. Okay, and voila.
People who actually make decent money from a side hustle, what do you do?
All right, good. So now it's ready for the next text bubble. Okay, let's say that I'm all done. Like I can go add more text now if I wanted to. So let's add one more text. Okay. And then this we're going to slide it right up against the other one. Okay. And then we go back to our Reddit stories. Over here. So I just copy and then I go paste. I paste it in. What happened to my text box? Go back to hit text again. There we go. Headline. Okay, so I hover over paste it over here at the top left. Boom, there it's done. I'm going to make it so I can read it again. So go to more options, go to outline only. No, Go to outline effect. There we go. All right. And now I want to slide that right in. Let's get rid of that. Slide it right in. Okay, let's test it now. See how it looks. Play it from the beginning. So I'm going to move this bar over there to test it from the beginning. Let's see how it looks.
People who actually make decent money from a side hustle, what do you do?
Okay, so you see how the audio is overlapping. So let's try it again.
People who actually make decent money from a side hustle, what do you do?
Okay, so the new text can start about right there. So now we're going to take that text.
People who actually make decent money from a side hustle, what do you do?
Stop that. So we're going to take that text and we're going to actually go back to our audio converter again, and we're going to preview that.
So as the title says, at 32 years old, I am starting my new career as a developer.
Download that.
I thought people might like to hear my journey and maybe find it useful if they are thinking of doing the same.
Add the audio. Browse. And add in the new MP. Okay. So now that you can see I have two audios at the bottom there, two audio files. So that's the first one. This is the second one. We want to slide that down. It's not letting me slide it down yet because I need more room. So I need to add another video again. So I'm going to add another video. I'll just use the same video again. Or maybe we'll use a different one. What the heck? Use that one. Okay. So now I can slide my audio down. Okay. So if you can see at the bottom here, I just moved that second audio down. So let's start over from the beginning. Let's see how it looks.
People who actually make decent money from a side hustle, what do you do? Oh, as the title says, at 32 years old, I am starting my new career as a developer. I thought people might like to hear my journey and maybe find it useful if they are thinking of doing the same.
Okay, so you can see how the text kind of disappeared. So we need to stretch the text. So now the text bubble is in line with the audio bubble. Okay, so just to sum up, this down here is the audio, the middle one's the video, and the very top is the text bubble. And that text bubble is hard to read, so we're going to fix that. Let's go back over to options and let's say background square. Good. So that looks good. And then I could add more if I wanted to. If I was done, then I can just trim the video and stop it there. There, it's done. Okay, everything's good to go. I'm going to export at the upper right. And we'll leave the watermark in. I think you can, or you can, if you pay for the upgrade version, get rid of the watermark. It really, people won't even notice it. So I'm going to export that video. Okay, so it's uploading. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're going to move it. We're going to go and put that in our TikTok. Okay, so the next step is to monetize this. Now we're going to go to ClickBank, or you can use Digit Store, or you can use Warrior Plus. Okay, you can also go JV Zoo, but just for this example, we use ClickBank. We're going to go to the marketplace, and we're going to look for something that would fit the video niche. So if you're in dogs, you would look for dog products. If you were in crypto, look for crypto products. So I'm going to look for something in maybe like money and making money, side hustles, something like that. Let's do side hustles. Let's see what comes up. There's tons of products to choose from. A couple come up, and let's go by gravity. I like to go by gravity score, filter by gravity to see if there's anything, a good product comes up. Let's try to go back to money. And let's try to spell it right. Gravity score. Oh, there's a good one. Oh, that's a fitness product. Interesting. Monster in the dental niche. How to get paid. Oh, there's a good one. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. There's a really high gravity score. So then I would go over to here. I just hit promote. Okay, and there's my tracking ID. I'm going to generate a hop link. There's my personal affiliate link right there. Okay, I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to turn that into a bit.ly. I'm going to use bit.ly to shorten it. Okay. And then I'll just, I don't know if you're familiar with bit.ly. We'll go over to bit.ly. Or you go to a URL shortener if you already have an app that you use. And then you just make it. Let's see if I can make one really quickly here. Create. Enter the long URL there. Create. Boom. There it is there. So I'm going to copy that and put that in my TikTok account. So So go over to TikTok. Okay. You find your TikTok profile link is. There's a little profile link right there, and you just paste it, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you monetize this. Now, if you want to make this even more advanced and more profitable, what you would want to do in the next stage is actually add a landing page where you collect their email. So something like, say, I'll show you my example. So this is a link. So my link on my TikTok says robgordy2.com, and it brings people to a landing page. So then people opt in, I collect their email, and then they get taken to an affiliate product. So that would be a more powerful way to do it. So that would be more advanced. If you want to learn how to do that, I teach that in my completely free course. And you can go to two places. You can go to my Facebook group, or you can go to my Facebook course, and you can get either or. Okay, to get that, just go to the comments below. You can get my Facebook course, it's free, or you can go to this landing page and opt in there, and you can get my free 5-day course. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. I will keep you updated on how this Reddit stories things goes, but it looks very promising, and I'll keep you in the loop. So till next time, I'll talk to you later.